Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to take a look at Bitcoin, take a look at the entire crypto market, because we are selling off a little bit. Was it a sell the news event for the Bitcoin SPY ETF? Let's take a look into this. So, guys, right now, Bitcoin is trading at $43,700, down about 5.78% on the day. Bitcoin dominance trading at about 50.43%. Bitcoin dominance coming down. There's still a lot of liquidity in these altcoins, but the real question is, where are we headed here? And I want to take a look at that, because over on the Bitcoin chart, when you're looking at the daily, we have about 2 hours and 42 minutes left until the daily candle closes. Guys, I don't want to be the bearer of bad news here, but we don't want to see daily candle closes below 45,000. Well, the bulls don't want to see that. But for the short-term price action, at least, I think that if we do get a close below the $45,000 price level, we're probably going to be looking into a little bit more of continuation to the downside. The question is, what is an appropriate target? And if we look over at the weekly candles, you can kind of get a better depiction. I mean, that's a textbook top candle right there, especially if we get these daily candle closes to the downside. It's a local top, but the real question is, we'll probably close below 45,000 in the next 3 hours. But I will also say, Bitcoin can do some very incredible things. It's volatile. It can definitely shoot up 10% in a 15-minute candle. So we're going to have to see how it plays out. But I am leaning towards the idea here that we're probably going to close below 45,000, which means that we're probably going to spill over and make our way down to maybe about 38,000, anywhere between really 37,000 and 40,000. I think that's an appropriate level to be looking at. But looking for that drawdown. I mean, we came up all the way to almost 49,000. If we come to about 39,000, let's just say, let's call it 38,000. That's about a 20% retracement. That's healthy, guys. That's good. We want to see that. We want to see that for continuation, guys. We have time before the halving. We have a couple months. It would be very nice to see that drawdown, a 20% retracement from 49,000 to say 38,000, 37,000 in that area before we trade sideways, consolidate, and start to make new moves into after the halving. It would create a higher low. I've been talking about this for a while. You can't just go straight up forever. I mean, look at these higher lows. It'd be a perfect higher low. Create some really good structure for the market to see some bullish continuation into 2024. So, guys, don't freak out if you see a pullback here. I think the majority of the pullback kind of already has played out, but I do think that 37,000 is on the table. But in reality, we could come down further than that. Max Pain probably would be coming down to, say, 32,000. Or maybe even get a wick, a flush out. But that it's a little bit too soon to talk about that, about a flush below 32,000. But as long as we're above 32,000, we're bullish, guys. This is bullish continuation. And you zoom out, it's a higher low. And a higher low is bullish continuation. Guys, I'm not long-term bearish on Bitcoin. I'm just telling you what I'm seeing in the charts here, and based on the fundamentals of what's going on with the Bitcoin SPY ETF potentially being a sell the news event. And this candle is ridiculous. It's just it looks like a top. It looks like a top. This is the best way for me to put it, especially if we start to spill over right here. But the question is, how long will it last? How long will a correction last? I mean, and also keep in mind, guys, we've been literally in this rally for over a year. This rally started back in January 23, and now it's January. It's January 24. We've been in this uptrend for over a year. It would be nice to see a little bit of a cool off. But the question is, how long will that last? In my opinion, it could probably last until the halving. Probably last until maybe halfway through quarter two. I mean, I'm not saying that we won't see a bounce off of testing these lows, but I think that we need a little bit of a cool-off period here. And maybe this is disbelief talking, but based on all of the signals I'm seeing, it makes sense that we have a little bit of pullback. The real question is just how long it will be. How long will we be in a consolidation pattern below 45,000 in the 40,000 to $37,000 price level? Time will tell, but it's very difficult to pinpoint how long you're going to be trading in a certain region for. But that being said, guys, the halving's right around the corner, and when you zoom out, you look at this. I mean, guys, 2024. If it may not be in the beginning, but in the later end, there should be some fireworks, especially leading into 2025. I mean, where I have my cursor right about here, potentially this could be where we could be peaking out with the winter of 2025, maybe about here, January, somewhere around there in the winter. That could be where we're looking for a peak. I mean, it could even go further, like the end of 2025. But I think that's pushing it. I do. I think that's pushing it a little bit too far. But that being said, guys, there's going to be consolidation. There's going to be pullbacks. It's okay. There's always pullbacks in a bull market, and we're getting ready for a true bull market. Be patient. Don't panic. But that's all I really got for you guys. If you like this type of content, please like this video. Subscribe to the channel right now. Also, please go follow me on Twitter at 333Blacksea. I'm very, very active over there. Guys, and I also want to say, don't be spooked if you see some of these altcoins drop significantly here. If Bitcoin decides to take a tumble over the next couple weeks. But it's okay. Don't panic, guys. If you're in right now, and you can hold on, you're going to be rewarded here in the next year or so. So be very, very patient, guys. But that's all I got for you. Also, please check out some awesome referral links we have down below this video. We have a $4,100 sign-up bonus to Femex and an $8,000 sign-up bonus to BitGet. That's all I got. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.